Hello everyone, welcome to Pratibha Collections video again. Today we have bought some summer friendly collections for you. So this is a summer friendly collection. This is khadi sarees, which we usually call slab cotton sarees. These are slab cotton hand block sarees. Before we start showing you our sarees, we want to inform you or tell you that we are manufacturers of these handloom sarees. The sarees which we make, this we can give you in bulk productions. If anyone are interested in our sarees or anyone wants to know more about our sarees, they can contact us at the number 7908221343. This number will also be given in the video. You can see through it or you can get from there. So now we are going to show you the summer friendly collections to you. This is a cotton slab hand block printed saree. The sarees are very light, very comfortable sarees. A summer friendly sarees, a heat absorbing saree, anything you can call. These sarees are created in such way it gives a beautiful lustrous texture, a beautiful finishing, a soft finish. There's no problem in wearing it. It's a very comfortable fabric which you can wear in this summer seasons. This is the first saree. As you can see, beautiful white and red combination. The whole body is running with this swastik block work. And the pallu is going this red zigzag pattern. This is the pallu portion. Now moving to the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of this saree. Beautiful small ball work is there. Moving to the next saree. This is saree number 2. Again another beautiful block printed saree. These are all hand block printed saree which you are seeing now. All are beautiful designs, new designs. These are all new designs. See another beautiful design. A beautiful block checks. A beautiful charkha in the middle. This is the body portion. This is the whole body look of the saree. The full body goes like this. The upper half and the lower half are this box checks you can see, and the middle portion is going with these kind of blocks, small blocks. Now moving to the pallu. This is the pallu of the saree. Moving to the blouse piece now. This is the blouse piece of this saree. Now moving to the third one. See the another beautiful color in the combination of yellow and red. See, the whole sari is going like this. The body of the sari is yellow in color, a yellow and white zigzag pattern. And the borders are running in this face work, face block. Beautiful face block is made with red color, red and white combination. Moving to the pallu now. The whole pallu is also made of this kind of face block. Moving to the blouse piece now. This sari would have this kind of, this would be the blouse piece of this sari. A leaf work is done in this sari. A yellow color leaf pattern is there. Leaf block. Moving to our fourth sari now. This is our fourth sari. Again a very beautiful combination of the three different colors. Green, pink and blue. The whole body is going through this block, a beautiful bird block. See, as you can see, the whole body of the sari is going in the middle position. You can see a bird work is there, a bird block, and the borders are going like this. This is the full body of the sari. Moving to the pallu now. And the pallu is going through like this. Moving to the blouse piece now. This blouse piece of this particular sari is running like this. Beautiful blue color blouse piece with this block print in the borders. Moving to our fifth sari now. Another beautiful combination of yellow and green. This is a Ganga Jamuna combination. Both the borders are going through different colors. The upper side of the border is going through green and the lower side of the border is going yellow. And the whole body of the sari is going through this beautiful floral print. Can you see the whole body going through this beautiful flower block? Moving to the pallu now. This would be the pallu of this particular sari. The stripes of green, yellow, green, yellow. Moving to the blouse piece now. Now, this would be the blouse piece. This is also going through a beautiful flower printed block and the border with green. Moving to our last sari. All the saris which are showing today, all are new and different type of block. Look at this block. The whole sari is going through like this block. The full sari is combination of red and black, white. Show the full body of the sari. The full body is going through like this. The borders are made in red blocks and the middle of the body is black and white. Moving to the pallu position now. This is the pallu of this saree. Now moving to the blouse piece. This saree is going through these kind of block piece. This is the blouse piece. Red color block print in the border and this black and white in the middle of the blouse piece. Now removing this, our model is also wearing a same block printed saree. As you can see, this is a blue and white combination and beautiful motifs are made. Kolka motifs are made. This is the pallu. And this would be the whole body of this saree. The middle of the body is running like this and the both side with this blue color border where the Kolka prints are made. For today we are finishing our video. We will be back again soon with another new collection, another beautiful collection for you. So if any queries, you can contact us in that number which will be given in the video. Thank you for today.